At the supermarket. Excuse me, where can I find fresh fruit?
The fruit is right up front on the left.
Do you also have bananas on sale?
Yes, the bananas are discounted today.
Where are the tomatoes?
The tomatoes are on the shelf next to the cucumbers.
Do you carry local products too?
Yes, we have many local items.
Where can I find milk?
The milk is in the back cooler.
Do you have lactose-free milk?
Yes, it is right next to the regular milk.
Where is the bread?
You can find bread at the bakery counter on the right.
Do you have whole wheat bread?
Yes, we have several kinds of whole wheat bread.
Where is the pasta?
The pasta is in aisle 3.
Do you have spaghetti?
Yes, spaghetti is on the top shelf.
Where can I find coffee?
Coffee is in aisle 5 with the drinks.
Do you have ground coffee?
Yes, we carry several brands.
Where can I pay?
You can pay at any register up front.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payment is accepted everywhere.
On the train. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Does this train go straight to downtown?
Yes, we will be there in about 20 minutes.
Do you know if there is a dining car?
Yes, it's 2 cars up front.
Where can I have my ticket checked?
The conductor will walk through soon.
May I put my suitcase up here?
Yes, that rack is for bags.
Does this train arrive late often?
Most times it is on time.
Is it always this full?
In the morning and evening, many people commute.
Is there Wi-Fi on the train?
Yes, but sometimes it is a bit slow.
Can you tell me where the restroom is?
At the back, on the right side.
Does the train also stop at the airport?
Yes, that is the next stop after downtown.
Do you know if I can buy a drink here?
Yes, the cafe car sells drinks.
How long is the whole trip?
About 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there is an outlet under the seat.
Are there many transfers today?
Yes, many connecting trains leave downtown.
At the doctor's office. Hello, I've had bad headaches since yesterday.
Please sit down. I will check you soon.
Did you also take my temperature?
Yes, it is only slightly high.
Can the pain come from stress?
Yes, that is very possible.
Should I stay home today?
Yes, rest is very important for you.
Do I need a prescription for medicine?
Yes, I will write you a mild pain reliever.
When should I take the tablets?
Take 1 in the morning and 1 at night.
Must I drink a lot?
Yes, drink at least 8 cups of water.
Should I eat something although I'm not hungry?
Yes, something light like soup or fruit is good.
Can I work again tomorrow?
Wait and see how you feel.
Should I make a follow-up visit?
Yes, please come back in 3 days.
May I go for a walk?
A short walk is fine.
Is there something I should avoid?
Yes, no exercise and little screen time.
Can I do something for the tension?
Heat on your neck often helps well.
How long does recovery take?
Usually 1 to 2 days.
Do I need to worry?
No, the symptoms look mild. Just relax.
At the restaurant. Good evening. Do you have a free table?
Yes, there is a spot for 2 by the window.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here is our menu.
Do you have a daily special today?
Yes, we have pasta with veggies and fresh herbs.
Can you suggest something light?
The mixed salad with chicken is very popular.
Do you also have vegetarian dishes?
Yes, several. For example, the veggie soup and the quiche.
How is the soup today?
It is fresh and very tasty.
Do you have still water?
Yes, we have small and large bottles.
Where can I find the desserts on the menu?
They are on the last page at the bottom.
Is the chocolate cake very sweet?
It is sweet, but not too heavy.
Can I order my meal without onions?
Yes, we can change that in the kitchen.
How long does the preparation take?
About 15 minutes.
Can I order more later?
Of course, just let me know.
Where can I pay?
At the front cashier or right at the table.
Do you take cards?
Yes, all common cards.
Could you bring the bill, please?
Yes, I will bring it right away.
At the hotel. Good afternoon. Do you still have a free room?
Yes, we have a double room with a balcony.
Is the room quiet?
Yes, it faces the courtyard and is very quiet.
How much is one night?
One night is $90 with breakfast.
Is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, Wi-Fi is free in the whole hotel.
Where can I have breakfast?
Breakfast is in the restaurant on the first floor.
From what time is breakfast?
From 7 to 10 in the morning.
Do you have hot food too?
Yes, scrambled eggs and fresh rolls every day.
Can I leave my luggage here?
Yes, we have a luggage room next to the front desk.
Where is the elevator?
The elevator is just to the right of the lobby.
Do you have a city map?
Yes, I can give you one.
Is there a gym in the hotel?
Yes, in the basement you will find a small gym.
When can I check out?
Until 11 a.m.
Can I check out later?
Yes, a late checkout is possible.
What is the best way to get downtown?
Take the bus right in front of the hotel.
Where can I pay?
Right here at the front desk.
At the station counter. Hello, where can I buy a ticket?
You can get the ticket right here.
Is a train to New York running today?
Yes, the next train leaves in 1 hour.
Is there also a fast train?
Yes, the Acela leaves at 11:30.
Is the fast train much more expensive?
It is a bit more, but also faster.
How long is the trip?
With the Acela, about 3 hours.
Can I reserve a window seat?
Yes, I can make a reservation for you.
How much is the reservation?
$5 each way.
Is there a deal for round trip?
Yes, the saver fare is often cheaper.
Must I print the ticket?
No, the phone ticket is enough.
Where can I find the schedule?
The schedule is right there on the wall.
Are there delays today?
So far, all trains are on time.
From where does the New York train depart?
From track 7.
How early should I be at the track?
10 minutes before is fine.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card payment is possible.
Will I receive a receipt?
Yes, I'll print it together with the ticket.
At the gym. Excuse me, where can I sign up?
Registration is right up front at the desk.
Do I need a membership card?
Yes, you will get a new card.
Where are the locker rooms?
The locker rooms are down the hall on the right.
Are there lockers?
Yes, you can use any free locker.
Where can I find the treadmills?
The treadmills are in the first room on the left.
Are there many people today?
No, it is pretty quiet.
Can I use weights here too?
Yes, many dumbbells are in the back area.
Do you have water for refills?
Yes, there is a water cooler by the entrance.
Where is the classroom?
The classroom is upstairs.
Is there a yoga class today?
Yes, one starts at 4 o'clock.
May I stretch first?
Of course, the mat area is for that.
Do I need light-colored athletic shoes?
Yes, that is required here.
Can I ask a trainer if I need help?
Yes, a trainer is always in the gym.
How long may I stay?
As long as you want, we close at 10.
Where can I pay?
At the desk by the exit.
At the park. Excuse me, do you know where the playground is?
Yes, it's just behind the big trees.
Is there also a walking path here?
Yes, the main path goes around the lake.
Can I rent boats on the lake?
Yes, there is a rental at the small dock.
Is the path well lit?
Yes, many lights are on at night.
May we grill here?
Only on the lawn next to the pavilion.
Where can I find restrooms?
The restrooms are left of the entrance.
Are there many dogs here?
Yes, many people walk their dogs here.
Is the cafe in the park open?
Yes, until 6 p.m.
Can I buy cake there?
Yes, they have cake and small snacks.
Where is the best place to read?
Many like the benches by the water.
Are there shady spots?
Yes, there is much shade under the old oaks.
May I jog here?
Of course, the path is great for jogging.
Is the park safe at night?
Yes, many people are around.
Is there also a bike path?
Yes, it runs along the edge of the park.
Where is the exit to downtown?
Straight ahead, then right through the gate.
At the farmer's market. Excuse me, where can I find fresh vegetables?
Straight ahead left, the veggie stands are there.
Do you have tomatoes on sale today?
Yes, they are very fresh and cheap.
Where can I get potatoes?
At the stand beside the flower stall.
Do you also have local products?
Yes, many items come from nearby farms.
Can you recommend some apples?
Yes, these red apples are very sweet.
Where can I find fresh fish?
The fish stall is at the end of the market.
Did the fish arrive fresh today?
Yes, it was delivered this morning.
Where can I find cheese?
The cheese stand is right behind the bread stand.
Do you have goat cheese?
Yes, we have several kinds.
Are there olives too?
Yes, at the Mediterranean stall on the right.
Can I taste here?
Yes, many vendors give small samples.
Where can I buy herbs?
Herbs are at the stand with the green boxes.
Do you have fresh basil?
Yes, the basil is very aromatic.
Can I pay with card?
Some stands take cards, others only cash.
When does the market close?
Today at 1 p.m.
Where is the exit?
Right up there by the large umbrellas.
At the Hair Salon. Hello, can I get a walk-in appointment today?
Yes, I have time for you in about 10 minutes.
Could you please wash my hair?
Of course, we will start washing right away.
Will you also trim the ends?
Yes, I will cut only a small bit.
Can you make the hair a little shorter?
Yes, but I will keep enough length for movement.
Do you have experience with fine hair?
Yes, I often work with fine hair.
Can you add some layers too?
Yes, light layers would look nice.
Do you use a gentle shampoo?
Yes, we use a very mild shampoo.
Can I get a blow dry later?
Yes, I will blow dry after the cut.
How long does the haircut take?
Around 20 minutes.
May I take off my glasses?
Yes, I will place them safely aside.
Will I get some spray at the end?
Yes, I will set the style with light spray.
Do you also have hair masks?
Yes, we offer different conditioning treatments.
Can I try one treatment?
Yes, a quick mask is possible.
How often should I come for a trim?
About every 8 weeks.
Where can I pay?
Right at the front desk.